Hi and welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 30th of March 2015. Just before we get started, we need to make a couple of changes. This morning it took me ages to actually load a chart, trying to work out why, checking the indicators and everything else. Then discovered and realised that, of course, we moved our clocks forward by 1 hour over the weekend. And if we have a quick look at ETX, you can see there 8:16. And of course, when I'm recording this, it is 7:16, so I needed to adjust the offset to -1 in the options part of the PPT trading software to -1 instead of the standard -2. This would indicate that the Europeans haven't moved the clocks forward yet by an hour, or something odd has happened. I can't see why they wouldn't, but something's not right. But in order to get the chart to load, I had to adjust it to a -1. Of course, the knock-on effect as well is that the times have changed now in the primary trade times. We move back to 14:30 to 16:30, and then 1900 to 21, and then click apply, and that straightens everything else up as far as the times are concerned as well. Inside of the workspace there, make sure that you come up to File, Save Workspace as well to keep these changes. So we see the market moving slightly lower, and then let's pop on the data, and then we see prices moving higher on Friday, which of course we had an hour's difference on Friday. So the first part of the trading is here. We see the market moving lower, trading down 17 points before finding support, and then reversing and moving back up to the upside. And you see the professional buying coming into the market there, profit on this trade before the market blows out at the 17,700 level, comes back, finds support once again, and then just trades between the two lines, trading back again. And then of course we went into the sideways move now for the duration, because the market was waiting for Yellen to speak in the late evening. You can see immediately that the market was waiting for it. When you've got signals appearing like this and you've got an FOMC member speaking, as I've said before, these signals aren't worth taking. We then see Yellen starting to speak. This would be last week, would be 7:30, and she was due to speak at 7:45, and then you can see the market's reaction to what she had to say there. So really only the two lots of trades there, the market going into this sideways trade. And again, just to reiterate, if an FOMC member, in particular Yellen, the Fed chair, as she likes to be known, is going to speak, then you can expect the market to be sideways a few hours before she actually does. That's the general pattern. In the daily charts, you can see there the market moving back up, well, sideways on Friday, moving back up on the overnight today, so heading back up towards the highs, finding support down at 17,622 there. On the implied volatility, 14.13 on Thursday, Friday 13.42, this dropping off slightly with the market finding support and moving back towards the upside there. And you can see this reflected in the price chart there as the implied volatility moved lower during Friday's trading session. Let's just have a quick look at the news. I knew I'd missed something. I was spending so much time this morning trying to work out why the chart wouldn't load. So news for today, now we're back to the normal times as well, and 3 p.m. pending home sales is the only one that's likely to affect the market. It's forecast to be actually lower, 0.5, down from 1.7 on the previous. So if that's the case, you should see a bit of weakness, but it's only a medium impact news item there. Also, just to let you know, there will be no market alert tomorrow morning, but normal service will resume on Wednesday, and we'll be missing in action tomorrow morning. But like I say, normal service will resume on Wednesday morning. Right, that's it from me. I will see you in the next edition of the Market Alert. As ever, thank you for your support, and also for watching. See you in the next one.